Hi guys, I know it has been a million years since I made a video, but I've had a couple people request that I make a video, so I decided, sure, why not? So I can't even remember the last time I've made a video. It was so long ago. So I don't even know like what you guys know, what you don't know. I'm 30 now. I'll be 31 in June. Jaden is 12, Coralie is 7, and Leora is 4. So yeah, Jaden's in 6th grade this year, Coralie is in 2nd, and Leora's in preschool. So that's kind of what's going on with us. We've moved since the last time I've made a video. I carried a baby for friends since the last time I made a video. So I did a surrogacy journey, and I have a surro babe. She'll be a year old next month. So that's super exciting. I carried her for a same-sex couple, and I love the experience from start to finish. So that was like really exciting, something fun that has happened. We got a dog. She's right there on the floor. She is about 7 months old. So she's a puppy, but she's a very large puppy. She is a Labradoodle. And yeah, I was making a YouTube video and you had to come in. Now I'm all self-conscious about it. So Thomas just came home and walked in, and I feel really awkward because I haven't made a video in so long. So yeah, that's what's going on with us. It's crazy. This is my 8th year teaching. So I'm in my 8th year of teaching. I completed my master's degree since the last time I saw you, and I'm actually starting a second master's next month. So just really busy with that. COVID's been crazy. Life's just been crazy. So that's all the update you get for now, because now I'm embarrassed to be talking to my phone since Thomas is home. All right, maybe I'll make another video again sometime soonish. Maybe not. Maybe I'll disappear for another year. I don't know. So, all right, that's it. Bye.